Flight Radar 24 fans. Today we're going to be looking at some aircraft. First we have this T6 Texan II. This Huron. This Los Angeles Fire Department Jet Ranger X. Gonna move up to the PNW real quick. We got the Civil Air Patrol original livery, a P-8, a Beach King, a Black Hawk, a Chinook, and a H-860, a KC-46, and a KC-135, a Tudor or CT-114 Tudor. And then let's go to the most tracked. This Lockheed Martin Commando 2, which is behind a Lockheed Martin C-130 Combat Shadow 2. This Eurofighter Typhoon, another Typhoon, an EC-135, and just to top it off, an MD-11.